One of the things I like to do when I was assigning projects to students is give them a progress tracker. I always thought this was a good way to help them with their skills in developing like how to prioritize tasks and how to manage their time. For example, I used to give this out for one big project I did every year, something that was kind of required by the state that I worked in. Basically, every day of the week of the project, I told them what we would be doing that day. So what was the task that they needed to fulfill that day? And at the bottom, I would have the same exact days there, and then they would have to write in at the end of each class period, what did you actually accomplish today? This really made them check in with themselves and reflect on what did I do today? And then of course the following day when they come in and they're like, oh, what did we do yesterday? And they're like, oh, I don't remember where I left off. So here's an easy way for them to remember. Years ago when I would use this, I made this all from scratch. Now look what Google Docs has for you. If I open a new Google Doc, I can come right over here to templates, scroll right down to like project tracker. And so I can see if I want to use something that looks like this. Insert it right into my Google Doc, and then I can make edits. I also have the option to go to more, and then this sidebar pops out with building blocks. As you hover over items over here, it like switches to a preview mode to show you what that would look like. I like this task tracker. If I click on it, it automatically inserts it in. So if you're doing a collaborative project, you can have the students assign themselves to different pieces of the project here, and then they already have the drop-down items that they can choose to use. That task tracker was under featured, but if I come down here, there's a whole section called project management, and they have a whole bunch of different options here. So as I hover, you can see they change to see what they look like. But what I love about these building blocks is a lot of the work is already done for me. All I have to do is maybe fill in some dates and things like that. Try out those building blocks. They even have an option where you can customize your own and save it so that you can use it over and over again.